Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I did a 100% water change in my koi and my goldfish pond, and two fish actually died. But that's how it is. Sometimes you do things and things happen. As I said before in several of my videos, that I'm not perfect, right? So I did water change. What happened is that one of the fish actually hit its head on the side of one of the buckets, and it had a concussion. Yes, fish had a concussion, and it just died after a bit. And the other one, I don't know what. It just see it start float, right? But right now, the pond is being filled up. Uh, I have a good amounts left still. These are just going to be grown out for the entire year next year. Then I'm going to be selling them. Then I don't think I'll be going into goldfish anymore, right? I'll be going into fully cichlids, right? I'll be getting some cichlids and placing it into this pond, right? So these will be sold, and that will be end of goldfish on me, right? But for the time being, I'm going to have to still care for them, right? They're a little bit lethargic right now because although it's fish safe water, but being it that they are coming from the dirty water that was in it, and now clean water is being placed in it, there's somewhat drastic change in pH and water chemistry, so it will take a while before they get adjusted to it. What I did temporarily was to place a air pump, uh, pumping air in it while it's being filled, and then afterwards I place back the what do you call it now, my DIY filter box at the top. DIY filter box at the top could not be placed there now because I do not allow my pump to actually reach to the surface of the pond, because it might collect too much debris, which actually cause problem later on. So it is left plugged in for too long. Well, should I say, it is left plugged in any at all. What will end up happening is that it will actually burn up. So what I did, I actually placed the pump and the filter box over in this pond, where I have my emboma cichlids, my Demasone blue labs, my Demasone blue labs, Mengano, yellow lab, right? So they are there, and so they are enjoying the box filter. Well, right now it's a bucket, right? Uh yes, this pond do not have any filtration system for itself. I've been using plan for the past couple of days, right? I'm going to be getting one shortly, so you will see that. I'm about 3 minutes into the video, and this is not what my video is about. My video is about this particular fish. um I'm going to be catching the fish, and I'll be showing you the fish. Woo! All right, so this fish you're going to be seeing close up in a bit has what seems to be a tumor going at the side of its is that head or is that neck? I don't know, right? I've been seeing this tumor going out for the longest while. I was tempted to take a razor blade and pluck it out, but after thinking about it, it might just put the fish into shock, so the fish might actually die. um Fish do get cancer, tumors, aneurysm, heart attack, concussion. Fish do get blind, they do get deaf, and they become disabled at times, which leads to them actually dying very soon after. Right, so you'll see the tumor close up and personal for a few minutes, less than a minute. Where my GoPro camera is presently being charged. So while I am actually narrating this video, it's been charged. So as soon as it's finished, I'll do that and I'll just add it to the video and you will see. But this tumor has been going for a while, and I'm tempted to actually pluck it off. It looks like another head going out of it, right? It's going from underneath the scale, and if I do, let me see if I can catch it. Right, so this is a fish, right? And I'm not gonna keep it outside of the water too long, because with this thing at the side of the head, plus it being stressed, it's tough. um I don't know how to treat this, Anybody know, you can let me know. I guess you'd have to call a vet, and a vet will do the operation. I'm going to place it back in the water. I don't think I need a GoPro camera for it because you actually see it close up, right? So I'm going to be placing it into the pot. I'm not going to be using the GoPro camera. But this is one of my goldfish that I have had for a very long time, and if you notice, the tail is kind of slightly bent, right? So this is like unsellable. I can't sell this fish. Right? Fish is not like, you know, beautiful color. I like the size, but you just have to stay with me until it die. And I will not be I will not be putting it to sleep. It will have to die a natural death. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.